So the student showcase, I believe, is critical for students each year because it gives them the opportunity to really share with the college community, but also the external community about what they're studying, what they're learning, and how far they've come in their knowledge and skills.
I am participating in the student showcase to have the opportunity to show other students and folks in the community what you can do in this program.
We identified a need for injury prevention for carpentry students. It's going to be run by the students in kinesiology. We're going to teach them things like basic movement mechanics and also a pre-work stretch that they can go home and use before their workday.
What we did this past semester is that we did a waste audit. So for 2 days, we collected all the waste in all the buildings around campus, and then we sorted them to see how much was actually waste, compost, recyclables, refundables, and it connects to real world business because sustainability is such a hot topic right now, and businesses all around the world are moving towards more sustainable methods and circular economy.
Learning is about showing what you do, not just talking about it. And so this showcase is meant to be an interactive experience. So I think it's really integral for Okanagan College students to do that and feel proud of everything they've achieved.